Boxycharm. I also got some Boxycharm charm reward items. I'll go over those really quickly. I got 3 things. I had 8,000 points or something, and I think I still have, I don't even know how I got that many points. Chair, so if I'm like leaning back like a cholo, sorry. So really quickly, I did 3 things. This was the first one. I just got some like red pinkish nail polish, a Desi, a Dees. Girl, you know I don't know how to say this stuff. I got another of the Travel Luxie quad eye travel set brushes, and I also got this MAC Lip Tensity lipstick, and it's pretty pink. It's in the color Claret Cast. I don't know. And that's what it looks like, and this is it. It's very, very pink, a little bit maybe mauve-ish, like pinky mauve. Sure, that sounds accurate. Okay, so that was it. I am so excited about this box. The spoilers, girl. Boxycharm, it's $21 a month. This month's box is Caribbean Queen. So let's see what I see first. It is this set of Luxie brushes. Speak of the devil, okay. Luxie brushes, 3-piece flawless complexion. Precision foundation face brush 660. With less bristle density, this brush is perfect for applying both powder and liquid foundations to create a soft, diffused makeup look. Tapered highlighting face brush 552. I guess I could show you what these are. This is a nice package for these brushes. Oh, it smells though. It smells bad. Okay. Okay, this is the 660 Precision Foundation. That looks like a highlighting brush to me. Okay, sounds good. Tapered highlighting face brush 552. That'd be this. Okay, all right. This fluffy tapered brush allows you to seamlessly apply your favorite powder highlighter to the points of your face or set your under eye makeup. I think that's what this would probably be. Sounds good. Duo Fiber Powder Brush 516. Make sure they got the right thing. That's what it looks like. Use this ultra soft duo fiber brush to apply cream or powder makeup for a softer, flawless finish. See, I have some of these and it doesn't really work for me, but it's probably user error. Retail value, $42. Brianna's fave. I don't know who Brianna is, but I guess it's one of these people. Moving right along. What is this? Battington lashes. Ooh. Okay. Golly, those are long. Like, long across. If we use that, we're definitely gonna have to trim. Battington Monroe Silk Lashes. These come in a really nice case. That's cute. Okay, the 3D multi-layered Battington Monroe Silk Lashes enhance your look to moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. Okay, the value of these babies are $28. It's pretty expensive for lashes, but okay. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. You guys, okay, let me read and then I'll tell you. The Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the bum bum. Brazilians is S, but it needs to be an S apostrophe, okay? I'm pretty sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine, okay? The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. Pistachio caramel leaves skin delicately fragranced. Okay. This is $10. This little baby thing right here. I have been wanting this for a while. And I'm so incredibly happy that they included it in this box, or in a box in general, because this is the test of like, this stuff is expensive. A big thing of it is like $35, like for lotion. Come on. But I mean, if it's worth it, it's worth it. I'm not gonna dog it if it's worth it. Okay. That smells really, really good. I'm not gonna lie. I got some crusty elbows, so let's just put it on the elbows and see what happens. It smells like, honestly, it smells like walking into an ice cream shop, to be perfectly honest. All right, next up, we have got this Jaunte Bleu, whatever this is. Dark brown eyeliner pencil. Brown, wah wah. All right. Okay. Okay. Jaunte Bleu waterproof eyeliner pencil. The 100% vegan waterproof eyeliner pencil glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. Use along the upper lash line or waterline. Okay. Not upset. Okay. Ooh. Ofra. What color are you? Verona. Okay. Ofra, long-lasting liquid lipstick. Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. I feel like they use the word vivacious a lot. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives a beautiful edge to your lip look. This is $21. Oh, the eyeliner was $5. All right. Ofra, I will say Ofra liquid lips are pretty good. My issue, you see this package and it looks okay, like it looks kind of dark, but kind of not. But then look inside and see how like dark this is. Like this is Sin After Midnight, like dark. You know what I mean? This is dark. Long story short. Not that I have a problem with dark lipsticks, but the nude lip thing is in, and that is nowhere near nude, especially for somebody pasty white like me. But you know, no complaints. The last thing in here is an eyeshadow palette. Okay, let me read you and then we're gonna open this thing together because I haven't seen it for real in person. This palette features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics or ground your look with the warm richness of creamy mattes. For more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush. The sun symbol for application with a dry brush. Okay, so they're making it like idiot proof. Sounds good. That's nice. This is $28. Okay, okay. Wow. Like, wow. Okay, so I see the water droplets. I don't know if you can see. The water droplets are on the metallics, and then the sun is next to like the mats. Okay, let's swatch some of these. We gotta swatch this one. This one is called Tropico. Okay, and we gotta do these like blue ones here. Silica? Okay, and then let's do El Malecon. I'm sorry. Wow, okay. I suck at this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Whoa, okay. This one here is, wow, okay. That is intense. That is crazy. This is why I didn't do my eyes. We are gonna do a super quick eye look. I don't know what to use. Let's use this Cocoa Taxi for the crease. I'm just taking this Luxie 205 tapered blending brush. Just gonna do this in the crease really quickly. First of all, this one color that is really nice. Really pretty, really pigmented, super easy to blend for a crease shade. And again, it is this Cocoa Taxi right here, just in the crease right here, you know, blend it up a little bit. I mean, no mirror, but I mean, the packaging is so freaking cute, and it's cruelty free, you know, you gotta like that. You know what, if we look crazy, I mean, we're not going anywhere. It's about to storm. We might go to the gym later. That's why I look like this. We're gonna use the blue. I'm not Spanish at all, if that's not a surprise. Veradero, because I'm sorry, I butcher everything. All right, I'm just gonna take this. This is an EcoTools brush, a blurring brush. I'm just gonna take this in the crease also. Go in with a small little pencil brush, and I'm gonna go into this La Costa, just for the upper brow bone highlight. We're gonna go into El Malecon with a wet brush. All done. As a palette, a bold palette, these colors are amazing and would definitely amp up another palette. As far as, like, I have this just everyday, like, neutrals. Take this, amp it up with this, infinite amount of looks, so many crazy good looks, especially for summer, even fall. Just bold, very bold palette. This definitely is something that you can add to your collection that would be awesome. So that being said, Boxycharm, you did pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. You want me to add this up, I guess? 145-ish? $145-ish dollars. Pretty good box. Pretty amazing box, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty amazing box. The beauty of subscription boxes is trying things that you would not normally try or you would not normally buy, because I don't even know if they sell this size in the store, but I've been wanting to try this. Will I buy it? We'll find out. So let me know if you like unboxing videos. Subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see everyone next time. Bye guys.